Hey and hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to develops.ai. So in this video we are going to solve the API Explorer app engine. So if you're new to channel, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develops.ai guys. So guys, this lab might be a bit complicated, but follow the each step very carefully and this lab will be easily solved guys. So let's start the lab. So just copy your password, wait for a few seconds. So just copy your password and open your Google Chrome console in indoor mode and just click on next here and paste your password here and click on next here and click on I understand. So this click on agree and continue here. So let me follow this lab very step by step form guys, so that our lab will be easily solved, and follow the each step, don't skip anywhere, and this lab will be easily solved guys. It is not too much complicated, it's a bit complicated while understanding this procedure, so make sure that follow the each step very carefully. So let me move for task number one. So below our above the task number one, let me just log into our Google Cloud Console, guys. So just open your Cloud Store terminal here. So continue, click on continue here, and just copy this, and just wait for a few seconds. It will be loaded here terminal. So click on got it here, and now guys, just paste it here and click on enter and click on here authorize, and let me move on another one. Copy the another command here. So just paste it here and click on enter. So after that, let me move for task number one. Now it is a task number one procedure. So just now we want to enable the API key here. So just copy this app engine admin API. Just copy this and just come back here. So at the navigation main, click on API services and click on this library and paste it here and click on enter. And you can see the app engine admin API, click on this. So most probably it will be enabled here, so make sure that click on manage here, just disable and enable once here, then your API will be working properly. So click on disable here. So after disabling this, please make sure that without forgetting, please enable this. So let me move on another procedure guys. So now click on this link here given in third point here. So click on open this in igniter mode. And now let me try this method by clicking this id property, set the value of project id. So just come back here. So at the right side, you try this method, and then short navigation pane will be here to be execute here. So make sure that click on this add request body parameters, click on this, click on id here, select this id and just come back here and copy a project id here and just paste it here. And next is and location id. Let me move on another one. Click on this plus icon here and let me click on this select this location id and come back to your lab and copy your location, not what you're looking at the display. Just copy this and just move back and just paste it here, and make sure that the two Google 2.0 and API key must be enabled here. So click on execute here, and so make sure that select your id here. So click on continue here and allow this. So it will be executed, and the output must be look like this. So they be shown here also the same procedure what you have been executed here also. So make compare and make sure that it has been executed here. So let me move on to task number two. Click on this direct link here and open it in incognito mode. And now at this point, for the apps id field, enter the project id, copy a project id here guys and just come back here. So at this try method only, there is an app side. In that string inside, you must paste it your project id here and just come back here and just make sure that blue tick must be here, both of must be enabled here. So you can see here, and here don't select anything here. So let it be as it is, what it is there, and click on execute here. So click on your id here and click on allow. So your output must be look like this guys, at the last true, both must be true here. And come back here and compare your output also, you can see the same output we have been got there and here also. So let me move to task number three guys. So we want to clone now github repo. Just copy this and come back to your cloud shell terminal guys, and now just paste it here and click on enter. Wait for a few seconds guys, let it clone. and come back guys and copy the another one of that Python thing here. So just wait for a few seconds, it will be get executed. So finally guys, our git clone has been executed. Let me paste the another which have been recently copied and click on enter and just come back guys here. And below at the task number 4, copy the export project ID, copy this and come back here and paste it here and make sure that remove the project ID here and come back here guys and copy this project ID of your lab and then paste it here and click on enter. And after that just come back here and copy the another command here and paste it here and click on enter. And next come back here. So wait for a few seconds guys. So the another yes or no option will be asked here. So click on S here and click on enter. So wait for a few seconds guys, the link will be generated. After that our hello world output will be generated. So let me wait for few seconds and let me check out progress after that. So guys, finally we have been our link has been generated here. So click on this link guys. So you can see the hello world will be displayed here. So let me come back to our lab and let me compare this. So you can keep the hello world page open here. So just let me check our progress guys, if we have successfully completed. So our assessment of this task has been completed. Let me move for task number 5 5 guys. So click on the direct link and open it in incognito mode and just come back here. So now guys, make sure that they are now click on request body and add a source project star here, asterisk here, and then action daily and priority one. So let me move forward here, and you can say try this method. Here our apps ID must be copy and paste here. Copy your project ID here, and then come back here and paste it here. And now guys, here click on here and click on this outsource range here. So at outsource range they have been given here asterisk here. So just enter asterisk sign here and next our action here, click on this plus icon here and click on action here. And in the action we must enter Denny here, DNY, enter that and click on this priority, and priority must be 1 year. And after that make sure that these two must be enabled here and click on execute here. After executing, your output must be look like this. So our output has been successfully displayed here. So let me go back to our hello world output and refresh it, and you can see the forbidden and access the forbidden. So here they have been given the same as it is what we have been got executed here. And let me move for another, click on the direct link option here and open it in inventor mode. And below of that copy a project ID, and you can see that paste it here at apps ID, and nothing to be changed here guys. So directly let me execute now. So you can see the output of the same in our lab has been executed here. So let me move for another one. So click on this another direct link here, open it in incognito mode, and now just copy a project ID and paste it here. And ingress rules ID must be 1 year, and make sure the two must be enabled here and click on execute. And just come back here, the output must be seen here, and just come back here. So our parenthesis we can see here, flower parenthesis you can see here our output has been compared here. And let me move for forbidden here and refresh this page. So our hello world came to be same. And let me come back here. So at the task number 6, let me copy this command here and let me move back to our shell command, cloud shell, and paste it here and click on enter. After that copy the another here, another command nano main pi, paste it here and click on enter. And click on ctr plus x and y. So you can get executed here. So after that, at the task number 7, go to navigation menu, select cloud storage and buckets. So let me move for navigation menu here. Let me click on cloud storage and buckets here, and come back here and let me see next what is the next work. Copy this tagging quick labs with the bucket name and save it. Now click on the bucket to view the file contents, copy the application Johnson and save it. So now click on this tagging quick labs here and just copy the link address here and just make sure that save it here or somewhere at a notepad or nearby your location, and come back and click on this tagging quick labs. Remove this, and you can see the application Johnson here. So make sure that copy this link address here and make sure that copy in your notepad or here or somewhere else you can just paste it here, and then just come back guys. After this procedure, at the form, from the left API reference, select navigation API v1. So just select this direct link, open it in igniter mode, and now at the apps ID, copy a project ID here and just paste it here, and as a string services ID default, enter default here. After the default, let me come back here. At the request body type, ID is v1. Select the ID here and small v here, not capital. So small v1, and next what they have been given here, runtime Python 39. So select this, and runtime is, make sure that select the runtime here and Python 39, and let me select another one, an entry point. Select the entry point here, click on this and select the entry point here, and click on your shell. After the shell command guys, let me move on another one, deployment. So under the deployment, select this, select the deployment. Below the deployment, select the files guys. So click on these files. After these files, click on the latest. So latest, enter this if you're not seen there. Below this latest, you can see here, click on this plus icon and click on source URL, and come below guys. So come above and you'll get a link here. Okay, just copy that and come back here. In the source URL, just paste it here and just come back guys, and make sure that two must be enabled here. So click on execute. So finally our output must be displayed like this as shown in the our cloud lab. So finally we have been done guys. At task number 8 guys now. So let me go for navigation menu. So come back to cloud storage and click on this navigation pane, and view, click on view all products. After this view all products, serverless action, select app engine. So search for serverless action. So serverless, under a serverless you can see app engine, select that. So under the serverless, what they are being given as versions, app engine version. So click on this version of third one. So you can see here, just refresh once here. So our traffic allocation is 100% right now. So let me move and copy this code here guys, and just to open your cloud shell here and just paste it here and click on enter, and just come back here and copy the another code here and just paste it here and click on enter guys, and let me move back and make sure that enter y here and click on enter. So wait for few seconds guys, it will be get executed and it will be generated a link here, and let me see for another output here. So the another output must be goodbye world, I guess so. And then at the last we are going to check our progress, and our lab will be completed. So now guys, let me wait for few seconds and let it get execute here. So guys, finally our lab has been executed. Let me select this link here, and you can see here the goodbye world must be look like this. So we got this. So let me refresh once here, let me see goodbye world will be displayed or not. So no guys, here hello world only it is so no need to panic guys, our lab will be successfully executed, I guess so. So let me check our progress of this step. So guys, our assessment has been completed guys. There is no more errors here. Only to check my progress in this lab, but the procedure is very lengthy one. So you must follow the every step which I've been instructed in this video. So if you miss any in these steps while following, so just replay once and get executed very fast. This lab will be easily understand and easily solved guys. So if you're in this channel, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. So let me meet on this next video guys. Thank you.